Hello, welcome to Code Unlock. Today we are going to unlock an easy way to understand JavaScript higher order function. A function that takes another function as an argument or return a new function. And this is what our definition of higher order function. But you know that there is a concept in JavaScript, and that is the only possible way to implement higher order function is JavaScript first class function. So let's look into first class function before looking in a higher order function, and this is the best way to understand higher order function. Here is the definition. JavaScript treats functions as a values so that we can assign to another variable, and this ability of a function is a first class function. So let's see a simple example in VS Code for better understanding. So here is example. Let's call these functions which we have assigned to a variable as an object. So let's call in this console.log and variable dot add, and we're passing the values 4, 2, and the same way we are declaring another console.log. So let's run this application. See, there is a result 6 and 2. So this is what the first class function is. So let's implement a higher order function. Here I'm having two functions, function add and function subtract. So let's create a function that takes these two functions as an argument. Functions calculations. Here for your understanding I'm writing as an argument comma argument 2 and a value n1 comma n2. So let's return the logic here dollar, and I'm calling arguments of n1 comma n2. Dollar arguments 2 is a method and n1 comma n2 as the values. Console.log calling calculation function and passing add and subtract functions as an argument and passing values 2, 4. So let's execute this. See, we got a result. Explain a bit clearly. Here we are calling this calculation function and passing the add and subtract function as an argument. When we are passing this add as an argument to this calculation function, it takes the add functionality here and takes the n1 and n2 values and execute this function. And same as for subtraction also, it takes this argument 2 takes the subtract function and takes the values of n1 n2 and execute this subtract function. Now let's look into the example 2 function returning another function. I'm creating a const variable number and function which takes parameter of m, and inside that I'm returning of another function and which takes a parameter of n, and after that inside I'm making console.log m.n. So this is what the function. So let's now try to access this function. So console.log number. Why I'm writing a number means, see, this a whole function is stored in this variable as I said previously. So this function has a parameter of m which is stored in this number, and I'm giving 2 who has a value. Let's see in the browser. See, here we got a function without a name, which means the function anonymous function, and we are getting console.log of m into n. This is the inside function which we are returning. And now to access this console.log m into n, we need to pass one more parameter with the value of 3. So now it will access this line of code, because the number holds this whole function, and the first parameter which takes here as m value, and when you are giving the second value it takes the inside function n value, because till here it's returning this function, right? And now when you doing this and now when you're passing like this the parameters, the 3 value will take here, and we'll get a console.log m into n, which means 2 into 3. Let's see the result in browser. Now see here, we got a value 6. That's it. Hope you all understand this topic, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.